Hey, skirt, skirt. Kelly.
Everybody, I know it has been forever since I filmed or made a video, but I'm back and I wanted to film an unboxing video, so I'm gonna jump right in. You saw from the title, more than likely what I'm unboxing. Here is the box. I've already opened the seal because it always takes me a while to do that on camera, but I have not opened the box, so here it is. So let's get into it. And I ordered this bag from Rebag. So here we go, Rebag, endless access to luxury. This is a little card to me. And here it is. Okay, Rebag. So, it's in the plastic bag. Hope y'all can see me. There we go. This is nice. So I guess they give you, if they don't have the original dust bag, they give you one of their dust bags, which is a nice touch, and it's actually a very nice dust bag. I prefer this over the regular Louis Vuitton, some Louis Vuitton bags, because I like a drawstring. You know, sometimes they just have the ones that have the flap, but they do have some that have a drawstring. And here she is. So this is what I ordered. I ordered the Louis Vuitton Deauville. This is gonna be a luggage piece for me. I have a few Louis Vuitton luggage pieces. I have the Tross 23, 20, I don't know, 23 and the 24 or the 26 or something. I don't know the dimensions on this bag. I will try to find them and link them in the description for you. But this, of course, is pre-owned. Now, they did bring back this bag, but they don't call it this. Well, it's a little different. They have the, it's called the bowling vanity bag, and that one's a little over $1,800. And I just didn't want to spend $1,800 on a luggage piece right now, so I decided to go pre-owned, and I'm familiar with Rebag and all of that. So let's get a little closer. So there is some patina already. I think this bag was made in, I think the date stamp said 02. So I see a few marks on the Vachetta, and I did order some Vachetta cleaner. I had some, but I used it all up. So I'm gonna try to test out. I have a different cleaner. I'm gonna test it out and we'll see how it goes. But this is the bag. I really love it. I really wanted a small, like, little overnight bag, and I'm gonna be honest with you, it's smaller than I thought it was, but nevertheless, this is, you know, just to spend one night or something, you know, you can put a few things in here. So yeah, this is it. Okay, so let the gold hardware is not tarnished. I mean, it really is in pretty good condition, because I saw some online that were dogged. All right, the zipper is nice and stiff. I have some. Now, the only thing is I noticed it does not have the luggage tag, but I actually have a Louis Vuitton luggage tag already. I want to say I have two. I gotta look on, okay, so I went upstairs and I got my luggage tag. So my luggage tag, you guys, I could not get it to lay flat where it was really cute. So, you know, it's a simple task, but I can't get it to clip on there. So we'll do that later. And I have here, let me see, let me move the camera down. Here is the front of the bag. I'm gonna put a little charm on here. Let me. So I have my little charm, and I cleaned off some of the water marks a little bit while I was off camera, and I don't recommend this because I really made a gamble, but I used the Most Delicate Cleanser from Loving My Bags. However, I don't recommend that. I recommend their Vachetta cleaner, which I did order some Vachetta cleaner after I purchased the bag. I just didn't like coming on camera with those watermarks, but it actually did kind of get them off. But again, I just don't want to recommend that because that's not what that cleaner is for. And I do still see a little bit remnants there, but the bag is actually pristine on the inside. I mean, it's as though whoever owned this bag might have used it maybe a handful of times. It's actually an amazing, it's like, it looks brand new on the inside. It really does. And like I said, on the outside, they only wore it a few times because it's barely any watermarks. The only thing, like I said, it does not come with the tag. I think it normally comes with the tag, and it didn't come with a lock, but I already had a Louis Vuitton lock, so I can just put this lock on there, and I'm pretty sure I think I have an extra lock on my Louis Vuitton Pegasus. So here is the bag, and I have my little passport holder. Yeah, I got my passport in here, and then I showed y'all the blank page. And this is not even a Louis Vuitton passport holder. This is an old Louis Vuitton PM Agenda that I converted into a passport holder. And of course I added hot stamps. I always have myself hot stamps. So you can really use this as a wallet. So I would probably travel and put this in the front pocket while I go through TSA and customs or whatnot. And here is my smaller Louis Vuitton Trousse. So we'll just stick this in there to give you some reference, frame of reference. Let's get a little closer. So you have your two big pockets. But here it is. I know I want to do this. I gotta figure out how to put this daggone hook on here. But maybe I'll come back and I'll do a what fits in my Deauville bag, or maybe a Louis Vuitton luggage collection video. That may be fun. Yeah, there we go. That's better. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys at a later date. Bye.